Optimize Prioritization is sales software for a specific operational decision, refines lead ranking and follow-up sequencing based on conversion probability and timeline. This video explains what the tool does, why the workflow matters, and how the output becomes useful decision evidence. The problem is that sales teams often manage this workflow with scattered inputs, inconsistent review rules, and manual interpretation. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Optimize Prioritization narrows that process into a repeatable model so teams can compare cases without rebuilding the logic each time. Optimize Prioritization starts with a defined input contract. Typical inputs include lead score, sales stage, days since last contact, number of competitors, and expected deal size. Keeping these fields explicit reduces ambiguity and makes every run easier to audit. The workflow then applies calculate the estimated likelihood of closing the deal by adjusting the base lead score with multipliers for sales stage advancement and lead source quality, then applying a penalty for competitive presence, calculate a time decay factor that reduces priority based on how long it has been since last contact relative to the estimated closing timeline using an exponential decay model. Calculate the weighted opportunity value by multiplying the deal size by the conversion probability, reflecting the expected value considering close likelihood. Calculate the final priority score by multiplying the opportunity value by the time decay multiplier, then scaling to a standard range to rank leads. And determine the maximum recommended days until next contact based on the priority score and days since last contact, with higher priority requiring shorter windows. This keeps the process deterministic, reviewable, and aligned with how sales teams actually make decisions. Optimize Prioritization returns structured outputs such as priority score, conversion probability, opportunity value, contact within days, and priority score buildup. These outputs are designed to support review, reporting, comparison, and follow-up actions. The value of optimized prioritization is not just automation. It is a controlled way to turn repeated sales work into a documented business process with clear inputs, transparent logic, and reusable outputs.